Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share on how I lightened my dark circles. Doctors suggest that children between 2 to 12 years should have screen time of only 1 hour per day, and for adults and teens it is 3.5 hours. But it is impossible, especially in this situation where we have online class going on, work from home situation. It is not at all possible. Where you can see my screen time itself, it's so much. Ultimately with this, it's going to lead us to dark circles, and getting rid of them, it is so so difficult. So what I followed is what I'm sharing with you guys, and it really worked for me like miracle. So let's get into the video. I used 2 products here. So the first product, I've used it twice weekly, and the next product I use it every day in the night time when I do my night skincare routine. So I'll show you guys the first product. It is this one. So hope it is visible. So this is called Ink Nut. Okay, you will get it in normal Puja Needs, that kind of a shop you'll get it, or you'll get it online as well. So this is such a miracle, like seriously. It just costed me 5 rupees one. So it's not too expensive. It is very affordable, and you get it very easily. Coming to how to use it, on a hard surface, be it a stone or some hard surface, you need to put 2 or 3 drops of water and rub it on it, and you'll start getting a paste kind of a product. So take that and pat it under your eyes and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It will become harder. You'll know when it is dry, right? That time just wash it off with normal water. Don't use hot water. Okay, so just wash it off. So I've used this twice a week. You can use it any time of the day, be it daytime, nighttime, anything would be fine. So that is about this product. This is called Ink Nut, and in other languages I'll put it here or here somewhere. So yeah, that is about the first product. I use it only twice a week. Don't use this every day, because it can dry out your under eyes very easily. So that's why. And another thing about this product is an organic product, so you will not have to worry about the side effects or any chemical, how it's going to react. So you don't have to worry about all those. Okay, so yeah, the next product, I'm using it every day. As I said, I've included that in my nighttime skincare routine. So that is a eye cream from the Moms. Okay, so this is the eye cream. I've been using it for I think 4 months from now. It is so nice, and it says it reduces dark circles, puffiness and fine lines, and it does what it says. And this has a chia seed in it, and vitamin B3 and coffee oil. So coffee oil is the key ingredient. It helps in reducing dark circles very effectively. Eye cream, don't buy in a cream format or a bowl box kind of format. Buy it like a stick format, so that you will get the massager here. Hope it's visible. The user of it, you need to just press it and you'll get the excess cream here. So you need to just apply it under your eyes and gently massage it using the massager. This massager is completely of metal, so it will be very cool. You'll feel completely relaxed. If your eyes are stressed, or you feel you have had a very hectic day, just do it for I just do it for 5 minutes. So that was enough for me. So massage it, and you can see, right, how the cream actually seeped in through. Yes. So after doing it, just pat it. So yeah, so that's it. So this is what is the procedure I do in the night time. It has visibly reduced the dark circles, and also we feel relaxed when we do the massaging tool. So this is how. Always do it inward, don't do it outward. Outward can bring you fine lines, so do it inwards. Okay, so that is about this eye cream. You can use any brand eye cream. There is I think Garnier also, but I felt this one had better ingredients compared to the other products which I saw. So I picked this, and yes, it is nice. Give a try on this product if you guys want some relaxation. You can also use cucumber in your eyes. That is a known, you know, procedure for a long time. But instead eat, always don't use, you know, products like vegetable or fruits on or something that eatables in your face. Instead eat it, you know, it enriches, it shows on your skin as well. So don't apply it on your skin. Eat cucumber and use like these kind of, you know, products on your skin. Hope this video was useful for you guys. If yes, yeah, I'm happy about it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video till here. Catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Doctors, I did it to when I do my night skincare is a very organic.